Confused about whether Ethereum 2.0 is just the same old Ethereum dressed up? Let's cut through the crypto clutter and get straight to the point. Originally, Ethereum, like Bitcoin, used a proof-of-work system. Think of it like a digital race where miners solved complex puzzles to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This required significant computing power and energy. Enter the merge. This monumental upgrade shifted Ethereum to proof-of-stake instead of miners. We now have validators who stake their ETH to secure the network and earn rewards. This is drastically more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Now, let's talk scalability. Ethereum's original design struggled to handle a large number of transactions, leading to congestion and high gas fees. One of the keys to Ethereum's improved scalability will be through sharding, which will improve transaction speeds dramatically. What does this mean for you? For developers, the move to proof-of-stake opens doors to new possibilities and potentially lower development costs for users. It aims to bring faster transaction times and more predictable fees, although this is a process that will take time. So, is it the same? Not quite. Ethereum has evolved. It's more energy efficient, more scalable, and on track to becoming a more sustainable platform for the future of decentralized applications. Have more questions? Jump into the comments below. Follow us on social media and subscribe for more crypto explanations.